Hi everyone, this video is regarding solving the crank no start problem for the Acura Integra immobilizer sensor, which is the immobilizer unit, they call it. I will show you how it looks like on the dashboard when they turn on the key. See, you will see the flashing green key light blinking when you turn on the car. And when you crank it, it will crank and no start. So this problem is due to the immobilizer sensor. The key reader is going bad. This is a new one that I just bought for $150 Canadian dollar with tax. So this is a no issue for several of the Integra, it's the Acura and Honda cars, including TSX, TL, Odyssey, Civic, and Integra. So this is the first generation of the Integra with the immobilizer unit in the year, starting from the year 2000. Integra prior of year 1999 doesn't have an immobilizer. So the whole thing to fix it is to buy this sensor. They call it immobilizer unit. This is the part number 39730-S04-G20. Made in Mexico though, even the original one is made in Mexico. So I will show you how to detect whether this is the problem without really asking mechanic to install it if you do not know how to do it yourself. So the first thing you need to buy this unit. One of the things that you cannot tell precisely, but there is some tool that you can ask the locksmith to program the key for you, and they will find that they cannot talk with the computer. So that is the first thing. If you connect the programmer to the OBD2 socket and they cannot talk to the computer, so that is one of the symptoms, is this key reader is going bad. So the next thing, the most common and affirmative approach is to buy this unit, or you borrow it from a friend, or you get it from a junkyard. From the junkyard, you can typically get it for $50 or less. And then this part is selling only $50 in the United States, but in Canada is marking up $150 plus tax for some of the dealers. So once you get this part, you just need to disconnect. You just need to attach it to the existing reader. So once you open up this cover of the steering column, which is just 3 screws, you can see on the bottom, 2 on the top, 1 at the bottom, 3 screws like this. So once you open it up, and they have a latch on this side and the right side, as well as the front. So 4 latches over there. Once you pop it up open, and you'll be able to access the column like this. So if you look at the key ignition side, and right behind it there is, this is the reader. So behind it has the green connector. So basically you disconnect it and connect to your new sensor. Let me take it out and connect to the new one. So basically you do not need to install it right away if you just want to see whether this is the solution for your issue. And you just need to tap it close to the key like this. It's about 10 millimeter or a quarter inch away from the key, and you will be able to read it. So it can be like this, and then after that, so for me I just like touching it because it's easier for me to turn the key. So look at the dashboard. I'm going to turn it on. You see, so you can see that the green key, immobilizer key, is immediately disappeared. And turn the car, and it started up right away. So once you turn it off, typically the immobilizer key blink for like 5 seconds. So that is normal even though with the 4D immobilizer reader. And so once you can crank it up, just by closing to the key, and then that's for sure your immobilizer unit is faulty. And you can spend the money to hire the mechanic, or you remove yourself. So basically it's quite simple. They just 2 screws, one on the top, one at the bottom, 2 of them. Let me point you out to the location of the screw right on the steering column. So this is the one on the top, and for the bottom one is right there. So you basically need to, for the one on the top, I'm sorry, the one on the bottom is not this one. It should be this one. So one over here, one at the back, which you have to basically crawl on the floor to remove it. And after that, you can remove the reader. So that's all. Enjoy the repair.